Seems legit.
Hello Legitimates, welcome back. Today I am going to do an unboxing because you guys and I both don't know what's in here. This is from Kiss Australia and I just wanted to do it on camera because I always get very excited. That haul video I did was so fun and I don't know what's in here, so this is just going to be equally as fun. I'm guessing fabric by the shape of it. Ooh, alright then. So this, for anyone that doesn't know, is waxed canvas. I do remember the other week saying that I would like to do something with waxed canvas, and I've got my green. Oh, I love it. And we've also got a royal blue. Wax canvas, so this is number 9 moss green and number 51 cerulean blue. I have a little note there that tells me that blue is really pretty. Look at that. I mean, green's always cool, but that blue is epic. There's more, so we're just going to unroll it. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it rolled, and I'll just roll from the other end. I've never used wax canvas. All of the stuff you see will be in videos, like always, eventually. I actually want to make my husband a man bag, so he's probably going to get the blue. Ooh, we got vinyl. Oh, wow. All right. I'm going to pop that over there. All right, next up we have so many greens. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a stunning textured vinyl. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, I love that so much. I don't know what that one's called. Is there a note? No, but I reckon we could find it. So that is like a stunning mottled green. We all know I'm going to make myself something. Not that I need more handbags, but on the other hand, you know, whatever. This is like stripy with green and white. This would look stunning. I could actually see this as like, we're definitely doing a set because I can see an NCW where the color like goes from light to dark. That's amazing. Oh, and it's textured. It's like a basket weave. How cool is that? I just like running my nails across it. This is not why I get nails, but it's definitely a perk. And then these, I love it. It's like cherries, but it's got green and red in it. That feels really cool, actually. It's a fabric. I'm assuming waterproof canvas. It's canvas of any description. It is stunning. I will do a water test on that later. Oh, I love them. I love this. This is fabulous. Oh, here's the note. I'm trying to see what it is. It is. It's printed waterproof canvas. See, I was correct. Sometimes I can guess stuff. Oh, I'm definitely obsessed with this. This is a beautiful green for a handbag. If you guys have suggestions of which handbag I should make myself next. Oh, here we go. Luxury faux leather in Christmas green. I love that there's notes so I know what's going on. That is amazing. Christmas green, guys. I love it. So pretty. While we're doing this, I may as well show you. I always store my vinyls rolled inside out. And the main reason for this is because I have a child who gets messy, but I suppose it will work for anyone. I don't want anything damaged on here. Now, for the most part, my child doesn't like draw on random stuff anymore. He did used to, so I got into the habit of doing this. So if he does walk past and draw on this with pen, it's not actually going to damage anything unless he pushed so hard it made a mark, like an indent. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe? No? Okay. So I always roll mine inside out and keep them like that. I have all of my vinyls kind of, they don't look organized to you. If you walked in, you'd be like, huh? But they're organized to me. So I have all of my solid colors, which was the Pacifica Standard I used to sell. I do still use it. I just get it for myself now. So I've got those color blocks. So I've got blues, greens, and teals together. Then I have yellow, pink, red, and purple together. Because of all of them, there's only like 1 or 2 of each color that I get. Then I've got all the neutral tones. So white, gray, black, brown, creams, all of that in another one. Then under that, I've got my specialty stuff, which is the stuff I used to get in, those random cool vinyls. And then under that, I have all the Inklings and Kraken vinyl. And then these ones are going to get their own little home. It also, by doing that, helps me remember where I got them from. Oh, I really like this. It feels cool. I'm feeling that we might end up doing a Cottywomple lunch bag with this. Because the cherries and the food, it's relevant. I really like it. I'm going to fold this. So fabrics I fold. And vinyls I roll. Because I don't want creases. If you do ever get vinyl sent to you and it's got a crease, you can just iron it from the back. If it's got like a texture to it, don't put it in a heat press and squish it, because you can actually flatten out the textured pattern. Been there, done that. So you just get a hot iron with no steam, and you just iron from the back, and the creases will come out. I do it all the time. My suppliers used to send me all the vinyl folded. You can either also just hang it up and let the creases fall out, but that takes longer. I personally like to just iron them and get on with my day. Oh, I'm very, very excited. So this company also does bag hardware, for those that don't know. I still have a lot. But the vinyls are amazing. And all the ones that are here can be paired with stuff. Oh, I love this. I don't know why. I love it. I don't know what we're going to do with it. I am open to suggestions. I just cut myself off. Did you notice that? I just realized I cut myself off in my own sentence. Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, so you can get bad carbon. Actually, she says it on the card. They've also got the interfacing, because I don't do interfacing anymore. It was a twofold reason. One, there is not enough room in here to pretty much store everything. That was problem number 1. And problem number 2 is I would like to spend more time writing the patterns that are in my brain. So I've decided if I take away all the cutting time, hopefully I can use that for designing time. But I'm still trying to get into my routine in this house. It's harder than you think, because my child goes to school at different times now. But anyway, I'm going to work on that. So they've got linen, cotton canvas, webbing, leather straps. Oh, that's good, because sometimes I just hate cutting my own straps. Embroidery. Ooh. Synthetic leather, which will be this stuff here, the vinyl, synthetic leather. Depends on where you're from and what you call it. And the wax canvas. I really do love that wax canvas. I've never played with it before, so you guys are going to get to watch me do it for the first time ever. We'll have to come up with something cool. Maybe 2-man bags. Oh, it feels cool. I like it. I love that blue. That blue is awesome. Alright guys, well that is my unboxing today. Oh, I'm so excited. This is going to be a good day. So these won't get done. I won't be using these in videos yet. But I will always put links in the descriptions of where I get my stuff, if I have a link. If I don't have a link, I'll just tell you the brand and you can Google it in your area, because that would also work for you. But yeah, thank you for joining me on this unboxing, and I'm going to go and start doing some sewing. Bye everyone.